Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your tags, in screen and cards for your YouTube upload. So of course, first you have to open up your YouTube channel and then we'll go to our home. And then there's two options that you can do it. If you already did upload it, you can go straight to your videos. So all you have to do is click videos or whatever videos that you already uploaded. Let's say I'm just gonna show you one example that I did already. So let's do the ones I had a few days ago. I already uploaded this tutorial. So see, as you can see, there's a little bit like I button there. That is the cards. That's what you call cards. So I'm gonna show you how to set that one up a little bit later. So watch one upload, you can actually add at least 5 cards into it. So all you have to do is go to edit video. Then as you can see, all my descriptions there already, and my tags is down below. Then you have to go cards, and here this is where you can actually card. You're allowed to add again at least 5 cards over there, and you can actually customize where you wanna put the ad breaks there, like for the card breaks I mean. And then you can pick whatever video that you need to put there. If this is like a series tutorial, or if this is series movies or uploads that you're doing, then you can actually do that one as well. You can also make a single upload or maybe a playlist there, or a website. Then so we did it already. So right now we are gonna go for the end screen. So you'll have to click that end screen, and there's actually, like, this is how I set up mine. You can always change it according to your preference, and there's a lot of templates here that you could pick. So it's up to you what style do you want, or you can actually set it up manually. And then all you have to do is, if you choose which one, you just have to click it and then say okay. And just like I said, you can move around this one here, and you can actually add at least 4 in your end screen. Either you can add someone else's channel in the other side. If in case in this video you have someone there that have a YouTube channel, you can always add it. And also, of course, you can actually add website if in case you want that one. So like that one, if you have another website or a blog kind of thing. So all you have to do, if everything's done, so you save and then return studio. So that's easy peasy. And these are, like, again, this is the description. So this video, because I made a tutorial, I made shortcuts for like which minute, where did I, like, for example, how to create your blah blah blah. Then I put, like, it was like I talk about it around 1 minute and 3 seconds. Then I put it there, and then you can actually click it. And also, this is for the thumbnails. You can customize your thumbnails. You can make your thumbnails. Mine, I have a thumbnail, I use thumbnail maker, or you can also use something else. Good thing also that you don't have to spend money. I think it's good to use a Microsoft Publisher if you have it. So yeah, again, I already talked about this shortcut for the video. And again, let's go here. This is like where the place that I recorded it. It's up to you if you want to add it, and then you can put here, make sure that you have the right category. If it's like you're doing tutorial, of course you have to do how to. If you're doing traveling, of course, just make sure so it will make sense. And here you can always put that it's depending on your preference also, and depending on your videos. So done, and then you save, click save. So I guess we're pretty much done here. So all you have to do is, like, we're all set up already. So right now I'm gonna show you how the other option to do it. So all you have to do is go to your YouTube channel again, go to YouTube beta, and if in case you haven't done, you didn't put it in public yet, so of course you have to go to your videos here on this side, and you can actually make it if it's still private or things like that. But private or public, you can do it from here, and the same thing, the same process. That's how you do it there. But instead of going to your video side, you can actually just go to your YouTube video. I think it's more faster to do it here since all the videos are already arranged in here. So guys, I think that's all for now that I'm gonna show you. If you have any questions, just let me know. And for the next video, I will be showing you how to do a premiere. Also, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit the uploaded video that it's already on your YouTube channel. So I hope you learned something today, and let me know if you have any questions again, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.